We are going to rework the problems that you saw on the PowerPoint. I'm hoping that you tried them on your own. These are box plots of student heights, boys and girls. And we're going to answer some of these questions that are here, these 14 questions. Hopefully you tried them on your own again. Okay, so which are true and why? So let's look. The girls are taller on average than the boys. Remember a couple things that you can look at. First of all, the median is a measure of the average, and you can see that the boys are further along here than the girls. And in fact, their whole box is to the 50% of the data is even to the further to the right than for the girls. So the answer for this is false. The boys are taller on average than the girls. So making this one true. Okay. Okay, the girls show less spread in height. So what measures the spread? There's two things that you want to look at, basically from here to here, but more importantly, this box, how wide this box is. And you can see that the box for the boys is more spread out, and so is you can look at even the range, right? Because the lowest and the highest value are bigger. So clearly the girls do show less spread in height. The boys show more spread in height. So making this one true, and of course this one false, answering two at the same time. The shortest person is a girl. So we're looking at the shortest. Now remember, this is the minimum for the girls, and this is the minimum for the boys. And out of all the heights, the smallest height belongs to a girl. So the answer is going to be true. Then it says the tallest person is a boy. And again, the maximum is the right-hand side of that whisker that's here. And so you're going to see that this is where the tallest person is, and that belongs to the set of boys. And so the answer is also going to be true. Okay. Let's move over now to, it says both data sets are skewed to the left. So let's look at this. Clearly they're not symmetric. Hopefully you can see that. Here you're going to see that, remember that below the left side of the box is 25% of your data. So this is 75% of the data is to the right. And also that's true with the girls. 75% of the heights here are on the right-hand side, making this a distribution. Remember, it's the tails that we're interested in, that both of these are data sets that are skewed to the left. So this is going to be true. Okay. It says now half of the boys are over 172. So we're just looking at the box plot for the boys, and half is 50%. And you're going to see that 72 is right about here, right, where this line is, which is the median. Remember that for the median, 50% of the heights are below the median and 50% of the heights are above. So 50% or half the heights are above 172 for the boys, making this a true statement. And then it says here, half the girls are under 165. So let's see where 165 is approximately right there. Notice that this misses the median. So I don't know if you can see this here, but the 165 is right about there. The median is bigger than that. So this is going to be more than 50% are under. Less than more than 50% are under the median, making us know that less than 50% are under 165 centimeters tall. So this statement is going to be false. Okay? Okay, now let's answer a couple more. It says, what percent of the girls are taller than 155? So let's find 155. You see that right here? So this is the first quartile. 25% are below the first quartile, and 75% then would be above the first quartile. So taller is above, and so the answer is going to be 75%. Okay. What is the median height for girls? this is the median height right here. You're actually going to have to approximate it. Again, just do the best you can. I'm estimating this to be approximately 166 centimeters. Oops, centimeters. So that's going to be approximately 166, somewhere around there, 66, 67. It says, what percentage of the girls are between 155 and 166? So that means between 155 and 166, which is the median, okay? And notice that this is the first quartile. And the data is split into quarters by the quartiles. And so this is between the first and the second quartile. We should expect 25% of the data to fall between those two values, okay? Next, it says, would you expect the mean height of boys to be above or below the median? Okay, would you expect the mean to be above or below the median? Remember, since our distribution is going to be skewed left, remember when we have a distribution that is skewed left, we tend, not always, but we tend to see that the mean is less than the median, okay? And so in this case, we would expect the mean to be below that median. And finally, what percent of boys are taller than 180? So here's 180. 180 is the third quartile, so we know that 75% of the heights are below 180 centimeters. That means that 25% of the heights are above. So hopefully this will help you think about box plots and all the information that they can give you.